course, the wind noise doesn't help in diagnosing this on the listening to the road noise. Car's bouncing, hopping a little bit. Seems to take those kind of like patches. They do these asphalt patches in these roads when they crack, when the asphalt cracks. Car kind of took those a little hard. Even I'm not sure if that's just how rough the asphalt is, or if it's just something up with the car. But I'll be quiet for a little bit to see. Hopefully, you can hear this on the video. Hopefully. Okay, let's see here. Well, I'm about ready to get off the freeway. Signal off for a little bit. So right now I'm braking. Doesn't seem to be too much of a pull in either direction. Pretty straightforward. Okay, let this guy go through. We're accelerating a little bit. Tire wheel noise. I mean, it could be anything. It could be the tire or the wheel. It could be kind of a general hum. I would say more of a hum or a howl. I don't know about a howling, but a hum kind of. Whereas a hum can be considered grinding depending on how you interpret the noise, or the word for a noise. So I'm recording right now. Okay, braking a little bit, get down to street speeds here, about 25 miles an hour. Speed limit around here drops from 35 to 25. So I'm not sure if that's just the street, the kind of asphalt. I mean, the asphalt looks pretty smooth to me. I'm not sure why I'm getting excessive road noise, and it's kind of hard to tell which direction is coming from. Rear to front, front to rear, or both. Both axles, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if you can tell if I'm braking. Well, you probably could if you saw the speedometer. I'm not sure if this would. Okay. Kind of at a flashing yield stop sign, stop light. So, gonna turn real quick. The detour. Oop. Okay, well, forgive the camera angle. And this road is not the best, so excessive road noise is probably pretty normal. But it does, I do sense some kind of a pitch there, kind of a noise that really doesn't make another kind of a smoother road here. hopefully you can make this out later in the video. Yeah, I don't see how this could be the tires unless that's the way low profiles are supposed to sound. I've never owned a car with low profile tires before this, so forgive me if I'm ignorant. But I've owned this car for about a year, so I should be, well, hopefully you heard that noise. Okay, probably gonna just go ahead and record, I guess, until I go all the way home. This is more of an exercise in listening. I hope you don't want to watch the video. Camera angles are pretty terrible because I'm driving with one hand and holding the phone with one hand. Well, these roads are varying, you know. Some are very cracked and in need of repair. Some of the roads have recently been repaired or have held up for a while, and so definitely getting some kind of a whining or humming sound, kind of like when something's turning, you know, continuously, like a tire or a wheel, you know. So that could be something inside the wheel, like for example the axle or wheel bearings or something like that. So I pretty much come to almost a complete stop. I'm gonna get ready to park here. Oops, too close to it.